Many times we duplicate events to test different versions, and in the end we decide which version of our event is better, so it is best to delete the duplicates that we are not going to publish. The problem is that for various reasons these duplicate events are stored and never deleted, which makes our server slower as we have to load many events that we are not even using. That's why we want to show you how easy and fast it is to delete hundreds of duplicate events, no matter if they are 50, 500 or more, because with the Event Spreadsheet plugin you will be able to delete them all at once and in a few minutes. Also, to avoid showing 404 errors to your users after removing duplicates, you need to create 301 redirections to the remaining events. But we can create them automatically for you. You just have to install the redirection plugin to create the redirection links, and the WP Sheet Editor redirection extension. Once both, the plugin and the extension are installed on your website, you can run the Remove Duplicates feature freely because our plugin will automatically create the 301 redirections to the remaining events. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. We have the option to filter the events we'll edit using the search tool, which allows you to use any field as a search parameter such as keyword, author, categories, tags, etc. Just enter the parameter you are going to use in the correct field, and run the search. Once the events are filtered, they will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Now let's see how to remove the duplicated events by title from your site and database using the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the option that will allow you to delete the filtered rows. Enter the field title. Select the Remove Duplicates edit type. Here you have the option to delete the newer elements and keep the older ones or vice versa. In this case, we'll select to delete the old ones. Finally, execute. After these simple steps, you'll have deleted all duplicated events. As you can see, the redirections have been created automatically thanks to the redirection plugin. Removing all duplicate events by title is really easy and fast if you use the Event Spreadsheet plugin. Definitely, this plugin simplifies the management of your events, as you can filter and edit the ones you need in a matter of minutes. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.